Want a clean video portfolio? In 60 seconds, I'll show you how on Squarespace. Step 1. Pick a template built for portfolios in Squarespace Template Gallery. Open the editor and enable sections for video, gallery, and about. Step 2. Upload your best work optimized for web using MP4H.264. Arrange clips into a gallery or cover video with clear thumbnails. Add short project titles and one-sentence descriptions for each video. Step 3. Customize. Set brand colors, typography, and a simple homepage layout. Use autoplay sparingly and include mute controls for accessibility. Step 4. Add an About page, bio, and contact button wired to email. Preview on mobile and desktop to ensure responsive playback and layout. Step 5. Connect a custom domain. Set SEO title and publish your site. Publish, share your link, and update regularly. Start your Squarespace video portfolio today.